Want to permanently stop using Instagram, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. Now let's get started. To permanently delete your Instagram account, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Tap Account Center. Then select Personal Details. Tap Account Ownership and Control. Then select Deactivation or Deletion. Tap the account you want to delete. Select Delete Account. Then tap Continue. Choose the reason you want to delete your account. Tap Continue. You may be given advice on how to deal with the reason you want to delete your account other than deleting it. If you still want to delete your account, tap Continue. Read the information and options presented, then scroll down and tap Continue. Enter your Instagram password and tap Continue. Then tap Delete Account to confirm. Your request to delete your Instagram account will then be submitted. After 30 days, your account and information will be permanently deleted. If you log into Instagram within those 30 days, you'll have the option to keep your account and cancel your account deletion request. That's all it takes to delete your Instagram account. Want to try out another social media app? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.